What's up guys, Plexfile here, and today we're opening another Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box right here. This is our fourth one. If you didn't watch the first three videos, you should go check that out. Look at that. Coins. Dice. This time they're actually in the box. Or, I mean the bag. Dividers.
These are nice dividers.
Yeah. AG cards. Promo cards.
One for Pokemon Center.
Yeah. A code card, which will show at the end of the video, and sleeves.
Let me see the sleeves. Nice.
And we got the packs itself. Alright. First pack. I see something, but it might just be a holographic because we thought it was something good when it was actually not in the past videos. Yeah, holographic. Nice. Professor's research.
Holographic?
Yeah. Oh, Professor's research.
Nice.
Full art. And it's a different professor this time. It's not the other one. The
Oh, that's
holographic
nice.
one.
It's the female one, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
The one from Scarlet. Nice. Alright, next pack. Wait, is this? Oh,
What's that?
just a regular energy card.
Hmm?
Just a regular energy card.
Oh.
I thought it was gonna be a 4 for a sec because.
Oh, that's Chansey.
Yeah. I realized in some videos we actually got 4 energy, but just never noticed it because the designs barely changed at all. Just has different texture on it. It's shiny. Oh! World's full art reverse, let's go. Oh! Oh, it's just a holographic. We got the gold Miraidon from this Miraidon pack.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, Bennett EX, let's go.
Last pack.
Yeah.
Good luck.
At least a rainbow card, or I don't even think rainbow cards are in this set.
No more.
They weren't even in the Crown Zenith set. I guess because of the 4 reverse cards.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like the rainbows better, you know? And yeah, for reverse.
That was it?
Yeah.
That was a pretty bad pack. Look, you only got 2 of these cards.
And the other box as well.
The other box, yeah.
First 2 that we opened
Were great.
Yeah, we got the Miraidon, the gold.
Mm-hmm.
These 2, not too good.
It's alright. I can't believe these boxes are going for $100. If somebody bought this for $100 and got nothing, pretty sad.
Yeah. Imagine if we get nothing in the booster box.
Oh, the booster box that you're getting in a few weeks?
Yeah.
Or next week?
Alright guys, really nothing good here. Just 2 full arts and 1 EX.
We'll get more next time.
Yeah. Hopefully, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.